Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we are going to make some bang chicken that is the best. Not only that it has a wonderful color from the pinko, its sweet chili mayo sauce is also so good, and we're going to serve that over some steamed rice. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now for the bang chicken, we are going to need some cornstarch, flour, egg, pinko, black pepper, onion powder, some adobo seasoning, garlic powder, sweet chili sauce, honey, and some hot sauce. Okay, and of course our chicken breast. First, we're going to start with our sweet chili mayo sauce by adding some mayo to a bowl, some honey, our sweet chili sauce, and some hot sauce. Now we are going to whisk that together, and you can always go in and add more of each ingredient as you like. Okay, if you want it hotter, go ahead and add more hot sauce to it. If you want sweeter, add more of that sweet chili sauce, and keep mixing until you get the right consistency that you like. This is how it's looking. It looks great. So what I'm going to do now is place this in the fridge and get started on our chicken. So now for our chicken breasts, what I'm going to do is basically just cut them into 1-inch pieces. So this is the size of our chicken breast that we're going to be using. So what we're going to do now is season our chicken breast with some adobo seasoning, some black pepper, some garlic, and some onion powder. So we are going to make a batter for our chicken. We are going to add an egg to a bowl, some buttermilk, and we're going to give this a good whisk. We're going to add our flour and our cornstarch. Go ahead and give this a good whisk. And this batter is going to be a thick batter, so adjust the buttermilk as needed. Now that our batter is ready, we are going to add some hot sauce to it. And you can add as much or as little hot sauce to this. Give that a good mix. Some black pepper and some salt. So this looks perfect, just like so. And I'm going to set this aside. So guys, I have a little batter station over here. I'm going to take my chicken breast, dip it into the batter, and we're going to roll them into the pinko. And after that, we're going to place them on a cookie sheet. So using a cast iron, I am going to add oil to it over a medium-high heat. We're going to get this oil nice and hot. Now that our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken. We are going to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. So I'm going to remove them from the oil. Guys, look how golden these are. They look amazing. Now I'm just going to place them on some paper towels and continue with the rest. Ooh. Take a look. Looks so good, right? How about that taste test? Oh, look, listen to this. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. So crispy. Guys, if you're looking for an easy weeknight dinner, this is it. It's full of flavor. The sweet chili mayo is to die for. I am going to go and sprinkle that sauce all over this dish, okay? That's how good it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.